Let's fry this fish. Trust me, it was absolutely good. Yes. If today is the first time here, this is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Please follow for more or subscribe for more videos. It is absolutely free. I have my fish here, okay? And I'm just going to cut them according to the sizes that I want. So that is horse mackerel. Horse mackerel, okay? Yes, it is also in the group of mackerel fish, okay? And it is called PS or Jasin or Banla in Ghana. Now I will remove those parts and then discard. But before that, let's continue. Please do not forget to follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very grateful if you do so for me. Like this video and please share to others. Leave me your comment in the comment section and I will be very grateful. Now I divided it into 4. I'll cut the tail small and then we proceed. Any other part that you want to cut, you can go ahead. That part you can even cut it. Any other part you want to discard, that is your fish, just go about it, okay? But I'm not going to cut anything. It is okay. Now I'm just going to remove the intestine and any part that I'm not interested in and then continue with the rest till I am done. If you're still with me, thank you so much. Can you please share this video to others and then tell them to subscribe to our channel? I'll be very happy if you do so. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for your time. I am so grateful for always spending some time with me. Now this is how we are going to remove the grills and then the other parts, okay? So just watch the screen and look at how I am doing it. Just pull it and everything will be out. Now after that, I will just go and wash it and just look at that. Very clean and neat. I washed the fish with some lemon juice to remove that fishy smell. After that, I have it in my salt water and I'm just going to wait for some time before we proceed. So I waited for about 8 to 10 minutes, okay? I was just sharing with you how I removed the intestine. I waited for about 8 minutes and now it is in my rack resting so that all the liquid can come out, even if not all, most of it can come out. And after that, I will just go ahead and then coat the fish with my all-purpose flour. So after coating, I will just continue frying. So now that we are here, I have my oil on fire and I'm just going to drop the fish in it. What you are seeing in the fish is not the intestine, okay? That is the eggs. That is why I did not remove it, okay? Yes, it is matured eggs. Now I'll drop in all the tail and then start frying it. When the other side is well fried, I'll just flip it to the other side to fry the other side also very well. And now just look at our fish. It looks absolutely good. At this moment, I feel like it is some gakeke or bankun with some hot pepper. Oh my goodness. This was good. This was good. Now remove it from the oil and then let it rest on the paper towel. After I am done removing it, I'll go ahead and then fry the head as well. We will do the same thing to it till it is ready and then remove that as well from the oil and then fry the middle part as well till we are done with everything. Thank you so much for watching me till this point. I am so grateful. I am so thankful. Okay, so I come your way next time. See you in the next video. It's bye.